Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about a very special thing in finance, you can say. It's about Robo Advisors, automated investing solutions, right? Let's see if AI has anything for us, and we will find it. We have some websites over there mentions which are giving us such information. Let's go for Investopedia. It is the most authentic website I have seen in past couple of uh, months, you can say. What does a robo-advisor do? Robo-advisors provide financial planning services through automated algorithms with no human intervention. They start by gathering information from a client through an online survey and then automatically invest for the clients based on their data. Robo-advisors often use passive index investing strategies. Can robo-advisors make you money? Yes, you can make money with robo-advisors. You can with as you can with any other financial advisor, right? Can you lose money with robo-advisors? Yes, you can lose money with robo-advisors if investments lose value or cost outpace portfolio returns. Do robo-advisors beat the market? Most robo-advisors won't beat the market. That's because their investing involves a passive index strategy that seeks only to replicate the market's return. Typically, robo-advisor investors investing in based on the modern portfolio theory, which relates to constructing a portfolio that maximizes return within an acceptable level of risk. The bottom line, robo-advisors leverage advances in algorithmic trading and electronic markets to automate investment strategies for ordinary investors, often based on modern portfolio theory. Robo-advisors are able to optimize investors' risk-return trade-offs and automatically manage and rebalance their portfolios. Automation also allows for tax loss harvesting and other strategies that were once too complex or expensive for ordinary investors. With low fees and small minimum balances required to get started, robo-advisors may be a good choice for most long-term investors and may be especially attractive to younger tech-forward individuals. Yeah. So this is how Robo-Advisor can help you. Automatic investment plans. Let's go this. An automatic investment plan, AIP, is an investment plan that allows investors to contribute money to an investment account to at regular intervals to be invested at a preset strategy or portfolio. Funds can be automatically deducted from the individual's paycheck or paid from a personal account. Okay. Understanding automatic investment plans, AIPs. And automatic investment plans is one of the best to save money. Numerous market mechanisms have been devised to help facilitate automatic investments plan. Investors can contribute through their employer by scheduling automatic deductions from their paycheck for their investing in employer sponsored investment accounts. Individuals can also choose to set up automatic withdrawals from a personal account. Employees sponsored automatic investment plans. Let's see this. Employers offer various options for automatic investing through their benefits programs. Investment options help to support both short-term and long-term investment goals for employees. The most common investment vehicle for employers sponsored automatic investing is a 401k. Employees can choose to automatically invest a percentage of their paycheck in an employer-sponsored 401k. Many employers will often match a percentage of their employees' automating investment as part of their benefit program. Companies may also offer additional options for automatic investing, such as company stock or Z shares at a mutual fund company. These automatic investing options help to promote loyalty and long-term tenure, right? So this is about robo-advisors and kind of this topic, automatic investment plan or automatic investment strategies, right? Let's go down and see if there is anything else. For individuals, outside of employer-sponsored automatic investment plans, individuals also have a wide range of options to choose from in the investment market. Nearly every available investment account offering provides investors with the option to make automatic investments. Some of the most common investment accounts for making automated investments include retirement accounts and brokerage accounts. Some retirement accounts offer incentives for investors to make automated investments. Many investing platforms also offer options for electing to save automated investments in a money making account or money market account, earning interest until the money is allocated to other types of security. Right? So this was about this website. Two concepts have been cleared: robo advisors and AIPs. Right? So this is for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye.